Hey guys, it's your girl Miss K here. If you guys haven't read the title already, this is my everyday makeup routine. Hey guys, so I'm going to start off with a primer. Literally, you can find this from any drugstore. Rub it all into your face. Next, I'm using my makeup liquid foundation. It's so smooth and creamy in color D1. I like to shake it up just to get it started, but it was sitting in my car, so it wasn't coming out because it was so cold. So this Q-tip should do the trick. So as you can see, I'm just applying it all over my face. The Q-tip really helped. Now, instead of using a brush, I'm just going to pat it in with my beauty blender. Get it all in there to buff it all out. Next, I'm going to use some concealer and liquid foundation from Sephora. I'm actually going to use two. I really love this one in color maple. And I'm just going to use the butterscotch stick concealer just to spread it all out and give that, desired look that I'm going for, or color. So now I'm going to take my beauty blender and just buff it all out to make it even. I love using the beauty blender instead of a brush because I just feel like it really gets it in there instead of, spreading it with my brush. Now I like to use my brush at the end just to kind of smudge it all in and get that final finish perfect look. Yes, honey. So I'm using my mom's Avon dark powder just to get that contour look because I was filming this so early in the morning I couldn't find all my makeup that I usually use, and here I found out that the brush worked better than the pad that was in there. We're gonna rub that all in. Yes, honey, blend. Okay. Here I'm going to use my powder brush to get just some powder again from the brand Sephora. I have to get the color again for you guys. And next I'm going to add some banana powder that I literally ordered off of Amazon. Don't kill me guys, I'll list it in the description below. So while I wait for my baking to get done, I like to work on my brows last. Here I'm actually taking a eyelash spoolie just to comb out my eyebrows and really get that perfect look that I want. I literally got this pencil from the drugstore, color brown. You can get it anywhere. I like to again go in with my spoolie to get that nice finished look. Brush in the upward motion just to get that natural looking brow going on. Want to see a magic trick? Ta-da! We are finished and slayed, honey. This is my everyday go-to look. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. Please comment below, like and subscribe, and stay in touch. Bye! See you guys later.